take place on the third Saturday of every month. And I want to say thank you guys for not being afraid to participate and coming. Special thanks Anna, Nikita, and Konstantin. A little about us. My name is Daria. I'm the host of this meeting. I work as a quality assurance specialist, and with me Jean Saya is a recruiter with experience working with international companies, our speaker of the Mok-interview club, participant of the podcast and the speaking club. Jean Saya, you can start.
Hi guys. Yes, my name is Jansaya. I am an IT recruiter who works with international markets. I saw more than 100 resumes and conducted about 100 interviews. So thank you very much for being here. So we can start, I think.
Okay, the first it's Will Anna, Senior Quality Assurance, I think.
Okay, guys, like I said before, I write it, yes, just think that it's a real interview and ask and answer the questions like it will be in real interview. Okay. Okay, Anna. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Let's talk about your experience. Now, could you tell me about yourself?
Yes, of course. I have been working in testing for over 10 years. My main projects are related to banking software and fintech, and I like it so much. For example, I like testing different transfers and payments, card to card, forms, different displays, correct transaction, and positive and negative test cases. And mostly I have experience in web. It's front and back and REST API. Also, I have experience with iOS and mobile testing, like QR code, for example, for payment, and I have a little experience with auto tests. I created BDD scenarios. It's my work was with Cucumber, Selenium WebDriver. I check JavaScript. I check codes. I execute it and check different errors. And I use Jenkins for it. And I analyzed errors, for example, and I can work with logs. It's tools like Kibana and Sentry. Yes, and I like Postman so much. I can create collection, update. I use Postman for negative cases. I created collection, run it, and check. And analyzed different errors.
Okay,
and little experience. I have experience with database. It's like PostgreSQL, and I use easy request. For example, select and maybe insert.
Okay, I got it. Thank you for a good intro. The next question will be about can you tell me about the current situation and why you are open to considering new job offers? Why are you looking for a new job?
No, for example, now I have fintech project too. It's like maybe SAP. It's application, and it is ERP system and very big system. But I think I don't have my hard skill. For example, I don't use Postman now, and I think it's not much for my experience. I need more experience for tech experience, and I want to be automated testers in the future. For example,
That's
Java
why-
and yeah.
Yeah, okay, I got it. And in your current company, did you talk with your managers, or what did they say?
I think it's old system and very stable, not much. It's work and work, not much new, I think.
Okay, I got it.
But I like a new technology, for example, ChatGPT, AI, and I want to use it. For example, I know that Postman use AI.
Okay, I got it. So now let's talk about your current company. Could you tell me what kind of company it is, about the project, stacks, and tasks that you did?
Now my project it's fintech project, and for it's payment part. It's ERP system, and I test desktop version and web version and different projects. For example, it's different. I created different invoices and checked fields, for example, and different statuses for this, and like integration tests between different systems. And I need to check that it's correctly create and works and change status. And now our systems have a lot of customizers and settings, and it's a very hard part of my work because I need I need to do a lot of settings for my test, for my work, for my test cases.
Yes, can you please explain about the most hard, challenging, project? What did you do for this successful implementation for this task?
I think often I have a hard part of my work. It's created test data, for example. It can spend a lot of time. For example, I need to create one document, and it can spend 3 hours, for example. And I need maybe different roles. Yeah.
Okay, I got it. the next question will be about what will be important for you when choosing a company. Could you tell me?
I think more important for me, it's develop. For me, it's tech opportunities for me. For example, blockchain, blockchain tools, blockchain technologies, and for all for my develop, I think.
Okay, I got it. Tech development and something else, maybe about the company, about the team.
Yes, I think team is too important because I like friendly team. It's what that I part of team. I like feel it, and that we to do good project for world. I think.
Okay, I got it. I think that I don't have any questions now. I will return why I don't have any question and say it later. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. What about the feedback? I liked how you told about your projects, what you did. And the another aspect is about about the aim to change your current position. I think that you need to work on this question and show the company why you want to change, because it was like only one aspect. Maybe if you can't change in your current company, you just need to show that you talk with your boss, with your managers, yes, and try to do it in your current position, in your current company. Okay, show it. What about the company? More information about the company, because I don't understand what is your company is. So what is next? Which company? In which company do you want to work? I think you can add some more theses, aspects that you're looking for. Okay. Maybe you have any questions. How you feel yourself?
Not bad. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. I think we could start with our next candidate. It's Nikita. I don't hear you. No.
Don't hear you. Okay. I think until Nikita. Sorry, I forget these words. I think you understand me. We can start with Konstantin interview, and Nikita after Konstantin. After Konstantin. Okay.
Okay. Konstantin, is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Nice to see you. How are you?
Thank you. Fine. I'm glad to see you, Jensen.
Okay, me too. Like I said before, just think that you are in a real interview and answer the questions how it will be in a real interview. Okay. Okay. Konstantin, could you tell me about the current situation? Why you are open to looking for new job opportunities?
Yeah. As for now, I moved to other countries, to Israel, and that's why I'm looking for current markets, Israel markets, and I search any positions. This and current my project, my work is a Alpha Bank, and almost everything is okay, almost. And
Okay.
the main reason is that I moved to other country.
Okay. Currently, you are in Israel, and you are looking just in Israel, or
Not
why?
on the Israel market and remote
Okay.
and remote job too.
Okay. What will be for you important in new company?
What important? So I like our community, Java backend developers, because a lot of peoples, a lot of different minds, and it's cool. What else? I prefer remote or hybrid style of working. So maybe it will be 2 days, 2 days in home and 3 days in office. That will be fine.
Okay. Something else?
Maybe probably I want to try a startup company. It will be a challenge for me.
Why? Why you want?
Something new experience. Are you hear me?
Yes.
Yep. So it will be a new experience for me because it will be speed of development, and we need to do our job more quickly. So I will to try it.
Okay, I got it. Thank you. The next question will be about your current company. Could you tell me what kind of company it is? Okay. About the projects, text, and task. I mean, about the company, about your team.
Okay. So a company called Alpha Bank is a bank, top 5 banks in Russia, and my current project is Alpha Mobile, is mobile bank for people, for customers, and Alpha Mobile divided into multiple products like operation history, card to card operations, something else operation, loyalty programs, family banking, and I work in a project family bank as part of Alpha Mobile. So what is it? It's all about family and parents and children's and their children. So parents can share card to their account for children, and I develop condition for some operation for children's for that customer.
Okay, I got it. About the project, could you tell me about the stacks that you used?
There are within microservices architecture, written in Java, Kotlin languages. We use Spring Boot, a lot of Spring projects like Spring Data, Spring Security, Spring Gateway. As a database, we use MongoDB, and for cache system, we use Redis system. For logging, we use ELK stack, Elastic Logstash Kibana, and for alerting and monitoring, we use Prometheus and Grafana.
Okay, I got it. And could you tell me about the most challenging project, about the most challenging task that you've done?
It's strange. So it was a memory leak, and one project, and so my project, my microservices period, sometimes crash in a production environment, and I search issue in trouble, and I found it and I fixed it. So it was a memory leak in a third-party libraries that microservices used.
Why it was the most challenging task?
Because I need to work with the keep dump, with analyze it, and decide where problem situate. So it was a really interesting task, really interesting challenge. Why my microservices is fails down.
Okay, I got it. Like you said before, what will be the most important for you? Could you tell me, could you add something else? Maybe.
Okay, so I prefer work in a small team, but as for me, I suppose that company that I like must have about 100 to 200 people with the same experience that It will be nice to communicate with the college and share expertise each other. What else? I think I want to work in a startup company in a field of financial technology or retail or e-commerce. That's all.
Okay, I got it. That's all. I don't have any questions. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time.
Okay, yeah. What I liked how you said about your current company, how you explain, and how you explain about stacks that you used. About the project, what you did, I think that you can add some more information, like more numbers, больше цифр, more numbers. The most challenging because you did it in a quick time or in a small team, yes, or about the customers that used this application. You're testing, I don't know. And about the question about what company you are looking for. I know that in startups you say, but you could add some information like what could you bring to the company, because yes, in startups they are like осьминожки, да, все делают, and you can add like more information. What could you do? What could you bring to the company? Okay. Do you have any questions? How you feel yourself? How do you feel?
No. I feel a little bit nervous.
Okay.
Everything is fine. Thank you. No
Okay.
pressure.
More practices and it will be okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Our next candidate is Nikita. Nikita, are you here? Are you there?
Laptop doesn't work.
Oh, cool. We are hearing you.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay,
Thank
good.
you. Finally, you are with us and we could hear you.
I'm really excited to be with you.
I have a question for you, Nikita. Skeleton, it was you?
Yes, it's me.
Sorry.
But
I'm sorry.
yeah, understood. I see it. Let's say you saw it that it was like fake or something else.
Yes.
And I rename and chose my avatar. So
great.
It's okay.
Great. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Nikita, like you see before, maybe for you it will be easier. I don't know. Just think that you are in real interview and answer the questions like it will be in real interview. Okay. Okay, Nikita, could you tell me about the current situation why you are open for new positions?
Yeah, first I want to notice that I'm a little bit nervous. So sometimes I will drink like water. It's or take a pause. So just okay. Current situation for me is like I want a challenge. I'm a little bit interested, so I'm looking for a job where I can take a new challenge, like a new build process of testing, or maybe make a wonderful team, wonderful crew. So yeah, so it was a bit why I'm looking for a management position. In my current company, I can't take it. I have to explain. My current company, I'm working like for a year. So in the first half year, I work on one project that was on stage MVP. So I did all the works, build a test process, auto test process, make a crew, make a documentation and something else. And after it, we start a project to launch it. And business said, okay, we don't want it. We did what we want. So you just need to
Get out.
Yeah, no, I mean not get out. I mean join. You need to join to another team. So and we restatus your project to just not work. I mean,
stop it.
Yeah, stop it. So now I'm working in a project where very good processes, and it's already built it. So it's no challenge for me, just routine and very boring. Yeah, I like it too. It's very good for my race as a professional tester, but it's not what I want. I want something new. Yeah.
Okay, Garrett. Could you tell me about your current company in more details?
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
My current company is Ozon. Ozon is a Russian e-commerce company. So I'm working on the sellers app. It's sellers, I mean, it's warehouses, sellers, and part of company that nobody's sold. So yeah, that's me. I'm working for quality, for your quality, I mean. And maybe you want to know something special.
Yes, could you tell me about the stacks that you used?
Okay.
And about the task that you did.
Okay. It's Python for auto tests. I make backend auto tests, so it's only Python and Ozon libs like rest time, but in the machine it's only requests, loggers, and something like that. So it's very usual, but with little sugar on it. My team works with Go, little bit PHP, and something else. For test, we use Insomnia, Postman, Python, Grafana, GitLab. Yeah, I think that's all. So my work tasks is to manual tests, it's like 50-50. I mean, 50 of manual tests, 50 of automated tests. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Garrett. What do you like the most, automation or manual testing?
I can say that I have a favorite in it, but maybe automating, because I started with automated tests 2 years ago. So I was only automated tester, and after it I take manual tasks too. So I think maybe automate it more.
Okay, got it. And what about the projects? Do you have the most challenging task, the most challenging project?
I had it, but it stopped. So I had it, but it stopped. For me, it was an app for drivers, and I did in half of a year all flow with the tests. It's 2 months of documentation and manual tests. It's 2 months after it. I mean, 2 months. 2 months of manual tests and documentation. 2 months of starts automated testing, and 2 months to end automated testing. So for half of a year, I'm like build whole process system, all test flow for this app, and I very like it. And проблемы с нацелением. Hello.
Now it's okay, I hear you.
Fransaya, are you here?
It's not here.
Oh, Fransaya, hello.
Hello, I
You're
hear
here.
you.
Glad to see you again.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm very glad of it. Yeah, I'm very glad of it. So, achievement.
Okay. Do you have something to add to this question, or that's all?
I can continue all day, so you just have to ask me, and I will answer you.
Okay, I got it. Now my next question will be about what company you are looking for. What will be important for you?
I'm thinking about company with just company what only now starts automate testing, because I'm thinking my knowledge, my experience can help this company to build a very good automate system. Automate testing system, and I can build good. I think not very optimized because I'm not so experienced, but very good, and I can like go up it to a normal guy system, and everybody can understand it. Everybody can do like me, and we will do a very good automated system. So I'm looking for this, I think, for challenge for me, for field where I can use my knowledge and experience on full charge.
Okay, I got it. Something else?
Good. Yeah, it will be a company with good salary, remote work, no office, with devices, laptop, something else. Yeah, and with good bosses. So.
Okay, I got it. Thank you very much. I think that's all. I don't have any questions. Yes. How you feel yourself? How?
A little bit stressful. So it's my second interview in English. First was 2 years ago with Huawei, and that was a Chinese interviewer, so I didn't understand him. And all the time I said, "What do you say? What do you say? Can you please text me?" He text me, and I'm like, "Oh, that's very easy question. I'm sorry." Yeah, and I was good on the interview, but they decline me because I'm not studied in the list of universities what they want. So yeah, a little bit stressful, but I'm appreciate. Thank you. Very excited to be here.
Okay, thank you. I got it. What questions do I have? It's about Nikita. I think that you could add some information about your company. I don't know. Maybe you said it in more details. You could set more details. And about stacks. No, stacks was okay. What else? I think that it was okay. Just more practice, because I can't hear. I can't add something to your speech. Just more practice, maybe. Yes, but later I will write some more information in Russian to your messages on LinkedIn. Okay, I will message you on LinkedIn and add some more information about your presentation, if for you it's okay. What else? I think that's all. To resume this our mock interview, I want to hear more about your current position, current company, current task. Okay, it will. I think that also you need to write and to do it automatically. Do you understand? Automatically, and when you are talking about your company, you need to know about tasks that you did, how much time you did it, about your teams, how you work with your teams, because in global companies, it's important to work with your teams. I don't ask about it, but be ready to explain it. The another aspect will be about what is important for choosing, but also I understand that when you are reading the description of the vacancy, you could fit yourself to this position and tell yes what will be important. The another advice will be about have a questions to your recruiter about the company, okay? And what else? I think for now it's okay. Dasha, maybe you could continue.
Okay, great. Guys, you are all great fellows. Thank you so much. It's really useful meetings, and I listened and now listening to your answer, and really it was useful for me also. And now I want to listen to feedback from you, your emotions and feelings. And can you start one by one? I think Anna, you can start.
Thank you so much. I feel very nervous, of course, but I think for me it was very useful, yeah, because I need more practice for speaking for this, for my career, for my CV, yeah. Thank you. Thank you for good question. Yeah, I like question. It's useful too. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you, Anna, for your feedback. Konstantin, you can start.
And also for me, it was very useful, and great. And thank you so much for Dasha, for Jansaya. It's really good experience. Practice with Mok-interview, like real interview, and really useful. Thank you. And nothing else to it. So thank you.
Okay, great, Konstantin. Thank you so much for your feedback. Nikita, and one more time, so I'm sorry for my for this situation. I don't know it was you. And what about your feedback? You can start.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. So after interview, I clearly see points where I can grow up. So thank you for it. It was useful, really useful. Yeah, and I understand that I have to work with English. I do it often than now. And I'm so stressful. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, guys, Nikita, thank you so much for your feedback, and I hope you in next time you will not nervous, and it's really will calm down, and now I want to remind you that we have a Telegram channel, and where we publish announcement, and you can subscribe if you don't subscribe, and everyone is welcome. We are waiting for everyone, and we wish you career success, and see you again. And Jansaya, thank you so much for this meeting, for this interview. It's really useful. And guys, thank you so much for this meeting also too, and have a nice day.